With the use of Keller Williams technology and Command specifically, I've been able to grow my database. I have Smartplan set up for everyone, and it has really helped me to keep my database intact, keep my data clean. Everyone is tagged, and then they are brought into a Smartplan depending on how I've initially interacted with them, whether it's for a particular property, whether they're buyer or seller, whether they a home anniversary smart plan, a purchase plan, Mother's Day plans, Father's Day plans. I'll just go in and I'll just bring out everyone who's a Father's Day and I'll communicate with every one of them. And I find that when I actually do the tasks, from my past clients even, I'm getting 1 to 2 new meetings a week. It sets those tasks out for me, and it keeps me on task and it keeps me accountable. It gives me the opportunity to connect with my database in a meaningful way that I haven't found with any other CRM.